All right, where are we going?
This is what it feels like?
Yep. Where are we going?
Oh. We are going to Elkhart, Indiana, because we have to pick our rig up. It's ready. Because we have to pick our rig up. It's ready. I'm also tired. It's early.
Want to give them a tip about packing up in the rain?
Yeah, do it the night before.
What?
When you know rain's coming.
When you know rain's coming, do it the night before. Thankfully, everything outside is done except for the sewer. And
Electric.
Electric, of course. But we have to just do the inside now. So, not that bad.
For travel day, the sliding doors have to get latched, so this piece gets anchored on this little snap right there. And of course you can see our bed. Lights go off. Right, Pixie? Right, Pixie? And it's raining, so of course we have the water boots. Trash bag has to go out.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to One Strange Adventure. Welcome to the next video. In today's video, we are leaving Hershey, Pennsylvania.
It's cold.
And heading to Elkhart because today we are picking our rig up.
Not today. Monday, we're picking our rig up.
Today, as in today's video.
Yeah, today's video, we're picking our rig up.
So it has been over 4 weeks since we dropped it off. And we have missed our home.
We definitely appreciate the rig that we were able to borrow from somebody.
Yep.
It is a absolutely fantastic rig. It's just not our home.
That's right. And so now we have to get all the stuff out of this one, bag in ours, and then take this one and drop it off at its home, and then bring ours home and get back to living in it.
So we were able to coerce a few friends to come to Indiana in the cold to help us move from one rig to the other. So hopefully it all works out for that, and this weather holds off so that we can get everything switched over.
Yep.
And well, we're going to cross our fingers that when we get the green design, our rig is actually ready,
right,
and everything is fine.
Yep.
So
it is currently Saturday.
It is Saturday.
We've got a 2-day journey, and we pick our rig up on Monday morning.
Yep.
So.
Tip: make sure if you're full time to have a raincoat and water boots.
Yep. I have the raincoat. I don't have the water boots.
So
my toes are wet.
I say his toes always end up getting wet, and then he's miserable for most of the day until he gets to change. So water boots and raincoat.
All right. Well, with today's tip, let's get this adventure started. Nothing becomes between a boy and his chihuahua. Big Z, you ready?
Oh, Pixie, Wixie. Like to travel with. Seriously?
You don't want to be what?
What?
What'd you say?
I want to travel with you.
Oh, okay. Just make
Thanks
sure.
for coming. Thanks
Yeah.
for coming.
We stalked you.
Me. You followed us. You found us.
I think we stalked each other. Yes.
We technically do.
Yep.
You check on me, I check on you. We meet in the middle.
Yep. Think there's a song like this?
We make it work.
Right?
Gained a lot of ground. All right, after 2 days, we have made it to Twin Mills, which is a part of the Thousand Trails Network in Howell, Indiana, which is right outside of Elkhart. We are here again because we are going to pick up our rig. It's currently Sunday. I have the week off from work. Yes. And we're going to pick up our rig tomorrow, bring it back here, switch everything out, and then return this to its rightful owner on Tuesday. So more to come on that, but should be good. And you may have seen we had friends here with us who helped us move stuff into the rig that we were borrowing. Well, we've got friends here that's going to help us move stuff back into our home. The Kreps are with us, and we want to thank those guys so much for helping us out, and of course being our family. And yeah, we're really excited to get back into our house. Yay! Got all the help? Well, yeah.
The trash.
Face it.
Chris is doing more over there on the couch.
Yes, I am. I'm getting out of the way.
Yeah, but it was this thing.
Look at this.
The hair really stopped.
Man, oh man. So,
Good morning.
good morning. Are you excited?
And nervous.
And today's Monday morning. We get our home back today. Hopefully.
We hope so.
Yep.
So we have an appointment with Grand Design's service team
Yep.
to talk about all the repairs and do like a walkthrough.
Yeah.
And if everything's up to par, then we can take her home.
Yes. And again, we're at Twin Mills, and we're hoping that we can get a second site tomorrow.
We can't get a second site. We're just going to go to the Walmart parking lot.
Yep.
And switch everything over.
That's right.
We actually, when we moved everything from our rig to this rig, we had Jason and Jen from No Sticks No Bricks helping us. Huge thank you to them. And then this time we actually have the Kreps here to help us.
It's always better with help.
Which is living brave and free.
Right.
They volunteered to come help us. So we should get it done in a couple of hours, I would say.
We got a 35-minute drive over to Grand Design Servicing Team. I can't wait to see it.
Yeah. So let's get going.
All right. Okay, well, we just finished doing a walkthrough with the techs, and we definitely have some information we want to share with you. But our rig is back, and it's really dark. Come on, transition. There we go.
We got our home back.
Got our home back, guys. And they did a great job. What do you think?
I think they did a fantastic job.
Yeah.
They had to take out the modified bed from what we did for the kids' bedroom
Reinforce the floor.
to fix the floor up there from the frame flex, and it looks wonderful.
It does.
Like-
They did a fantastic job.
I actually feel bad about having to redo it for Nick.
I know. The nose, they reinforced everything. The floors are so much dirtier. We're really happy.
Yeah, it's almost like it was brand new.
Now, Matt, if you're watching this,
I'm sorry.
Bob Moses, ceramic coating, we love you guys. They actually had to redo some of it, so now we have a big chunk of panel that does not have ceramic on it.
Right. So they ended up taking our slide out.
Yep.
Anytime you have front nose flex, the slides have to come out for them to fix everything, and then when they put the slide back in, because of the repairs that they did, it made our lines that go onto the main body off. So they had to grind the lines off and then repaint them. And so our ceramic coating is not...
The inside is good. We're not complaining. We're not complaining.
No,
the inside
not
is
at
great.
all. Not complaining at all, because they didn't even know that we had ceramic coating, so it's not like they would...
Right.
It's not like they would, say, hey, do you want us to repaint your lines? Like, it was just... It's a painted coach. They have to repaint the lines to make it match.
So this is an inch in further this way.
Also, like, say it can...
And in result, so this has a pad right here, typically when you first get it. And when we took it off, you could see where the panels weren't touching because they didn't have to worry about the finishing behind the padding. But what's nice is because it was like that, they actually trimmed it out for us. Now it looks super clean.
So now it has these it's hard to see in the video, but this is a lip. This is covering the hole.
Yep. And
then this was actually falling off.
yeah, they secured everything.
And they resecured that, and they resecured this. And then they recaulked it all.
The biggest thing is this floor. Like, there is absolutely no give in this floor. It's just awesome. But because the wall came in an inch, we actually had to modify our modified bed. And now the drawer kind of slightly goes under, where this drawer was like out to gear. But I think they did a great job.
Yeah, they said we had to cut it an inch.
Now, will the mattress fit back in there? I don't know.
We had to cut the mattress an inch, but it's only a mattress, so it's okay. They modified this bed system, but they had to take all this out, and then they put it all back, and it looks amazing. So they did a great job.
They did a great job.
How about cabinetry?
Cabinetry is completely redone, all new.
See the back of it?
This was just obliterated inside.
Yeah, now it's nice and solid.
Now it's all, yeah. I mean, this is like brand new again.
It probably is brand new. It probably just took the old one.
I'm saying this thing is like brand new, is it?
Yeah.
So we'll see what it's like when we hook it up to the truck. See if it flexes at all. That'll be the big test.
Yep. So
But all right.
I'm happy.
Yes,
You happy?
I'm very happy. Getting it ready for travel. Oh, pro tip: it was not ready for travel. So like, the fridge is unlocked.
Okay, they left this door open.
Yeah, because I assume they want us to be able to walk through it, but
The fridge door isn't locked.
yeah, fridge
It's empty, so it's okay, but we don't have anything to lock it with.
nice and clean. Yeah, we broke the knob off, so here's my locking now.
I got a packet of papers.
All right, garage. The floor is no longer squeaking right here, which is great.
It's no longer bowing.
No longer bowing under our feet.
Sorry for the mess.
Yeah, we have some new stools that we bought at the rally that we're finally getting. It's a mess back here because that's where all the bedding is right now. The floor was so bowed in the center that everything was kind of leaning in. So that door, even when the rig was level, would just shut by itself every single time. Didn't matter what we did. So that is fixed. Our cabinets are good. Our floor is good. Our door doesn't have a big gap in it now. Look at that. That's amazing.
I have to say, I missed my bedroom.
Yes.
I'm just saying.
Yep, I agree. All right, let's close the garage out. Now the other thing that we had him fix was that the floor was separating from the slide over here. I didn't even pay attention when I pulled the slides out. Solid. It's coming in way easier. Oh, look at that. So there was a huge gap right there between the floor and the bottom of the wall. Overall satisfied?
Yes. Thank you, Grand Design,
Yes. Thank you for getting our rig back.
for fixing my baby. Those lines right there that they had to reline. So they took off the paint right there and repainted it.
All right, go for it.
Okay?
Yeah. It didn't move at all.